one point I would like to show to you about journal quality. I would like to show you how do we proceed for journal quality. I told you that we are using the Hartzing journal ranking. You can see here there are actually a lot of rankings. Actually, you can see here, for example, in Germany, German researchers are using the VHB ranking. And we are here in France, it's the FNAGE ranking, the CNRS ranking, and the HCRS ranking, but actually in the moment we use this FNAGE ranking. As I'm a French researcher, I mostly use this because we're evaluated as a researcher every 4 years about our publications. If we publish, it's what we call publish or perish. If you don't publish, you perish. You don't exist in the research community. And yeah, we have to publish in these journals. And that is why we try to publish in top journals. That is why I would recommend you to go on the Hartzing journal list. The Hartzing journal list enables you to see the quality. So you see these are the business journals. In the subject area, communication, okay, business history, economics, strategic management, international business, innovation, and in marketing. So innovation, you can see the ranking here, for example, Technovation, the article I've just showed you about autonomous cars is published in Technovation, which is a 2 or B journal. So it's a good journal. A top journal would be a 1 journal or a journal of product and innovation management. This would be a good reading. You can see here some average journals, 3, and I would not say bad journals, but better journals, which are 4 ranked. And in marketing, the absolutely graal for us is the Journal of Marketing, which you can see here. It's an A+ journal or 1-star journal. And you have also here Journal of Marketing Research, Journal of Retailing, which are also the top journals we like to publish in, Journal of Consumer Research, Journal of the Academy of Marketing Science, which you have just seen, International Journal of Research and Marketing. When you're writing a research, sometimes you might be faced to a lot of articles. So how should you select? You should select according to the journal quality, and you can then take the Hartzing ranking. And I would start to read A+ or 1-star journals, A and 1 journals, B journals, and perhaps C journals. But not necessarily read D journals, but I would really recommend you to start when you have a lot of readings to start with these top journals, because these are actually the most top quality journals in which researchers are publishing. What is important for the job you're doing in the next weeks is read mostly academic journals for citations. You might read managerial journals in order to see some applications of drones. But for the literature review, only use academic journals, which you found actually on Business Source Ultimate. Another advice is to get familiar with citation software. So download current citation softwares like Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote. Zotero and Mendeley are free. Download it, you can use it with your word processing software. Then in Business Source Ultimate, you can directly record the references you read or which are interesting. And this enables you to make automatically at the end of your thesis, the reference section. Unless you have to do it manually, you will risk to forget some citations of your research. By using a citation software, you can do and automatize them and make it much easier. And it gives you also the format of the citation and the references, because you have different formats which are used. For example, the American Marketing Association, American Psychology Association. So you can then formattate the references section at the end. So download Mendeley, you have to learn, but once you have learned to work with them, it becomes easy and makes you save a lot of money. So we have really performance expectancy here. It will make you save time, make your thesis and your research much more professional. Because then in Business Source Ultimate or in Science Direct, you can directly, as you have seen, export the references. Above all, you will have an add-on that you can use in Word to make the citations. And because again, if you do it manually, it will take you a lot of time. The next time I will show you how to summarize an article, and I will show you which are the sections you should summarize when doing a literature review. And which